This is part 4 in the series where I'm making a medieval longsword. In the last part, you saw me cut out the crossguard and the shape of the crossguard. And if you saw my update on my social media, you saw that I drilled a hole in the center of the crossguard piece we cut out for the tang to slide into. And so that's where we are right now. For today's part, we are going to continue work on the crossguard. You can see I've started burning some coals for the forge. So we're really just going to start hammering on the crossguard, just start shaping it. I honestly don't have a specific plan in place. I think I'm just going to start hammering, shaping, and see what happens. Just try to get to a place that or shape I like, and from there we'll probably get the angle grinder, cut it, and do some final shaping and polishing. And we will also probably go ahead and fit the crossguard around the tang with the forge at some point. So I don't know if we'll get to all of that in this part, but that is what we are going to start doing in this part and hopefully get done in the near future. And then we can move on to the pommel and the handle and keep working on the blade. So yeah, super excited. Let's see how far we get. All right, guys, as you just saw, I've been hammering away at the crossguard for quite a while now. Actually split it up over 2 days, so quite a few hours in total. You'll see after this clip the kind of product we got after all the hammering. So it's gonna look really rough, but it's really just to kind of get a basic shape that then I can go grind and finish shaping it and then kind of polish it up. So I'm pretty happy with it. You know, I just kind of went into it and with not really a plan and just started hammering away and see what happened. So it turned out pretty good, but yeah, that's pretty much it for this part. In the next part, we'll probably keep shaping the crossguard with the angle grinder, maybe start on the handle and pommel, but yeah, that's it for now. So